Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional of May the 8th on Friday 2020. This one is a Sudoku with 4 stars, so let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can use. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then a 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. 1 box left for the 6 should be there for the 6, yes. Alright, how about the number in no eight. Yes, in this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. In the third row, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, we have an 8 over there. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then a 3 in this row, a 3 in the second row, so the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is 9. I see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in this box. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers? The missing numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Then the 1, 2, and the 1, 2, and 7. How about these 3 numbers? The missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 7. I see here 2 and a 7, so no 2 and a 7 here, so the 2 and a 7 goes in these two boxes. One digit left for this empty box, the number 1. That means the other two numbers are the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the last column, the only two places for the 6, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. How about 1, 3, and 7. Ooh, the 9. 1, 2, the 3, and the... Yes, in the last column, two missing numbers. The 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 5, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place for the 6 should be there. And then 4 in this column, 4 in the first column, so in the column between. The only place for the 4 should be here. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the middle column. The only place for the 5 should be here. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 4 are missing in the middle column. 1 and the 4 as a pair. 4, 4, that means here 4 or there 4, because we have a 4 in this row. 1, 1, that means here 1. That means here 1 or there 1. 1 is missing, the 2. The 3 is missing in this column. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. The 3 should be here, and one digit left in this column should be the 7. And we have a pair again. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so on the column next. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there, because we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7, 4 and 7, 4 and 7, that means one box left for the number 8. 8 is missing. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so on the third column. The only two places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 8 and the 6s are used, I see. How about the 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, here 5 there, yes 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, column between, the only two places for the 5, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and all the 5s are used. So the 6, the 8 and the 5 are used. How about the 9? Can I finish this? No, the 9 should be here also. These two or these two could be a 9. How about these two numbers are the numbers 3 and the 2, we have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 2 goes there, 3, that means in the middle row, here 3 or there 3. How about 3, that means in this column we have here 3 or there 3. So in this row we have, here cannot be a 3, we have a 3 there, here we have a 3 there, here we have a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. Now we have a 3 here, this cannot be a 3, this should be a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright, these 2 numbers in the second column, the 1 and the 2 are also missing. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and, in this big square, 1 and 7 are missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7, 2 and 7. These 2 numbers, 2 and, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 1. This should be a 2. We have a 1 here, so this could be, this should be a 7. And this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be a 4. This should be a 1. The 9 and the 4 are missing here. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. We have a 2 now, so this should be a 7. This should be a 2. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1, here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Now I can fill the 9 here because we have here the 9 and the 1. We have a 9 here, so this should be a 9. This should be a 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. We have a 3 here, so this should be a 1. This should be a 3. We have a 7 here, so this should be a 4. And this should be a 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow! How can that be happen? Could it be happen? Because it's faster than the 3 stars and the 2 stars. I'm surprised with this 4 stars Sudoku. If you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file if you want to solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the binary puzzle, the 5th puzzle of today's newspaper. Thank you, and see you later. Bye bye.